Want to learn how to make some juicy, succulent and flavorful jerk pork like this one here? Then keep on watching. Hi guys, how are you guys doing today? I'm in my previous video, which is my jerk seasoning / marinade video. I told you guys I'll be jerking some pork. So here I am with the pork here now that I'm going to, be seasoning to put to marinade. What I'm adding now is about a teaspoon of salt, which is the only other ingredient apart from the jerk seasoning that I'll be using on this pork here, because as you know, pork, I tend to use a little more salt than I normally would if it was chicken. If it was a chicken, then I'd only add the jerk seasoning. But with the pork, for added protection, I add about a teaspoon more of salt. In the jerk seasoning video as well, I showed you the blender so that I'll be using every drop from it. So here I tipped about a teaspoon of water in the blender to wash out everything, and here now I'm just scraping out what is in there on the pork here. This is how serious I am, guys, about not wasting anything. As you can see, I don't like to waste things. Here is the beautiful sauce that I made. I'll link it in the cards above, also down in the description box below. So to this pork here now, I'm adding about 1/4 cups of that beautiful sauce there. So with the baggie on my hand as usual, I'm going to massage this jerk seasoning on the pork here. I'm going to ensure to get the seasoning over all the pork, every crevice and corner. I'm going to massage it in so that it's covered. Preferably, I'd like to, marinate my meat overnight, but because of reasons I weren't able to do so. So I'm just going to marinate it for about approximately 5 hours. And this is what it is looking like. So I'm going to tightly cover this for about 5 hours and then come back and show you what I do next. It has now been about 5.5 hours, so I'm now ready to put the meat on the grill there. I have it eating up for about half an hour or so now. So I'm just going to lay these on there. And guys, note also that I don't have it on a rapid high fire. The fire is really low. Not too low, about a medium high heat. So I'm just going to put these 2 pieces here. And gonna cover it and then come back and check on it in the next 20 minutes or so. So I'm now starting on the sauce that I'll be using to baste the meat with, the pork with. So this is what is left of the marinade that I used to on the pork there. So I just tip some water in there and I'm going to make the sauce. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon more of that beautiful jerk sauce to this here. Oh, nice. Quick stir. I'm also adding about a tablespoon of ketchup to it, just to add some thickness to it, to the sauce as well. We're now back on the outside. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Whew, so beautiful. Whoa. And it smells so good. Wow. It has now been about half an hour, so I'm now ready to start basting the meat here, just to, enhance the succulence of it. So I'm just using my brush here to, pat some of that beautiful sauce down on it there and ensuring to get all the corners all over it. So I'm gonna flip them now and do the same thing as I did before, which is, you know, putting some of that beautiful sauce on it, as I said before, to enhance the succulence, the juiciness of it. Look at that. Oh man, so beautiful. The smell, I wish you guys could smell it. So this I'm going to cook for about 2 hours. As I said, I have it over low flame. So I'm going to cook it and, you know, have it tender, juicy and nice. So I'm going to cover it back and check back on it in another half an hour or so. It has now been a little bit over 2 hours, and look at that pork, guys. I'm telling you, this is so juicy. If I squeeze this down, you can imagine the juice that is coming out of it. So tender and beautiful. Come on. So I'm going to put it to rest for about 10 minutes, then slice. Here I am now, guys, ready to slice. And it is, while I'm slicing, I realize that the knife is, you know, a bit dull. But you're not here for my knife skills, right? You're here to see how I jerk the pork and get it juicy and tender, which it is, guys, which it is. Really nice. Don't mind how you see it cutting here. That's because my knife is dull. Really beautiful. So hope you guys give this jerk pork here a try, as well as my jerk seasoning, which I'll have down in the description box below. Yeah man, please remember to leave me a comment, also like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Alright, just enjoy it one more time. Look at that, look at that, so beautiful. Here I have it served with some pumpkin rice, fried plantains, vegetables, and a piece of fried chicken. I really do hope you enjoy this video, guys, and thank you for watching.